Hey everyone, it's Connor DC from the Collab 365 team, and I'm going to show you a small little tip in Teams that you can do with your Power Apps. It's something I discussed at the live catch-up session, and that's how to embed a Power App into a Teams tab within Teams. So I'll show you how to do that. So over in Teams here, we can just go and find the team or channel that we want to embed our app into. You can do that by selecting the Teams tab on the left and then choosing the team and channel that you wish to go into. So for this, I'm going to use my holiday approval app demo, and I'm going to use the general channel here. So you can see that we've already got some default tabs which you already know, which is post, files and wiki. And we've also got something that John's added here, which is our holiday request plan. But what we're going to do is we're going to press this little plus icon here. And this is going to bring up a list of apps and services that we can embed into a tab on Microsoft Teams. So from the list, you'll see Power Apps, or you can do a search for Power Apps. So I'm just going to select Power Apps. And if you give it a little bit of a time to load, you should see all of the apps that you have access to. So I'm going to use the Vacation Request App 5-day challenge, which is just our little demo environment that we use to help make videos like this for you guys. And I'm going to select that app there. And it's also going to give you an alert to make sure that your team can use this app. If you're its owner, you need to share its access. So that is something to consider. But for this, I'm just going to press save, and it's going to add that new tab at the top there. And then this app will be available to you by navigating to this channel and to this tab. One thing to bear in mind here is that if you are viewing this on a desktop, if you're on Teams on a desktop, it's quite nice to actually build your apps in that tablet view, and then you kind of get a full screen look. But predominantly this app was designed for mobile, so hence why we've got this portrait style app here, which is obviously what we created in Power Apps. So hopefully that covers that little tip, and you guys can make use of that, and it's very handy for visiting your Power Apps without having to leave Teams, that common workplace that we're all used to working in. See you later, guys.